荷里活明星 Simon Baker 現身馬場出席朗琴標品牌賽馬盛事，以品牌優雅形象大肆亮相嘅佢表示係首次踏足香港，會同仔仔喺香港留3日，咁打算去邊度玩啊
？Yeah, well, a lot of sightseeing with my son, and also a lot of eating.
How's he enjoying Hong Kong so far?
He loves it. Yeah, it's been really fantastic. It's a very vibrant city, a lot of energy, and people are very warm and very accommodating.
So will you go sightseeing or shopping here?
Mainly sightseeing, not so much shopping. A little bit shopping here and there.
Did you get a chance to watch the horse racing earlier?
Yeah, I just watched the first race. Yeah.
Did you place any bets?
I did place a little tiny bet, and I didn't do very well.
東網手機 App 大革新，即時推出多項新增功能。東網緊貼潮流，新聞主頁可以左右滑動，最方便選擇唔同新聞類別。東網更加打響頭炮，增設現場直播功能，只要一機在手，隨時隨地，東網會帶你去到最精彩、最實時嘅新聞現場。功能創新，簡單易用，立即下載東網手機 App。